It's not about you not accepting love. Maybe it's about the people that you use are not able to give you the love you need. Because if I want to have a relationship with you and I say, Andrea, before getting a relationship, I want to know, ask you a simple question. How would you like to be loved by me? And if you cannot tell me, or you're going to say to me, I don't know, what you want me to do? And this is the question we don't ask. What is really want? How we want to be loved? What do I need? You are my partner, and ask me a question. What do I need to say and to do for you to feel loved by me? Even in sex, we do the same. Okay? Have we ever asked, how would you like to be loved by me today? No.